60. I could say that my knees feel like I'm 27. And that's what I want to stress more than anything else. I feel fabulous and no pain.
Hello, I'm Dr. Brian Petrie from Regenerative Medicine of Raynham, and I'm here today with Karen, who is a patient of mine who came in there about a little over a year ago, and you were complaining of some pretty significant knee issues at that time. Can you just kind of refresh us and let us know what you were actually experiencing back then?
Well, I could barely walk, and it was very hard for me to walk. And I was getting cramps in bed and couldn't get up, couldn't go to the bathroom because of the cramps were so bad. And so I needed help. I saw other knee doctors, but no one was helping me.
What was your diagnosis at the time? What did they tell you?
Degeneration in my knees.
Degeneration. Did they recommend surgery for you?
Cortisone shots.
Cortisone shots?
I had one cortisone shot on my right knee, and I felt that pain from the shot for a whole year. And
Wow.
it wasn't the pain of the knee, it was the pain from the shot. So I wasn't happy, and I didn't want to go to that procedure again. So I came to you. And when I read about you and saw you on Facebook, and I just knew that you were the right person, and so I came.
So when you came in, we evaluated you and we determined that you were a candidate for the procedures we do here with Regenerative Medicine for joint rejuvenation. And we did that procedure, it was, I believe, December 2023.
Yes, the results was so worth it.
Tell me about the results you have. And this is a year later, so what have you been able to do over the past year?
I rested up for a couple days after the shots, and I just took it easy. I slowly did rehab on myself at home. I didn't do anything vigorous, and slowly got my strength more and more, and no pain. The best part is no pain. I was able to walk and dance.
That was the one thing you wanted to be able to continue to do is dance,
Right.
correct? And have you been able to?
I've been able to dance, and I've
Okay.
been able to walk and feel like myself. And I turned 60. I can say that my knees feel like I'm 27. And that's what I want to stress more than anything else. I feel fabulous and no pain.
Okay. Thank you, Karen. Thanks for sharing that story. That was awesome.
Thank you.